Here's a full script for your video review of the Mercedes-AMG GT XX Concept written in a natural flow without headings or quotes, around the 5800 character target. The automotive world is entering a new era, and Mercedes-AMG is making a bold statement with the introduction of the AMG GT XX Concept. This car is not just a glimpse into the future of performance vehicles but also a showcase of how luxury, technology, and electrification can merge into one stunning package. At first glance, the AMG GT XX commands attention with its striking proportions, aerodynamic profile, and aggressive design language. It embodies the essence of AMG, yet it redefines it for a future where performance is driven by electric power. The front fascia of the AMG GT XX is a perfect example of how Mercedes blends elegance with ferocity. The sleek headlights, paired with digital light technology, are razor-sharp, giving the car a futuristic presence both on the road and at standstill. The wide grille, bold AMG badge, and sculpted air intakes all serve more than just an aesthetic purpose. They are designed for aerodynamic efficiency, channeling airflow around the car to reduce drag while improving stability at high speeds. Moving to the side profile, the low-slung silhouette, muscular wheel arches, and large alloy wheels create a stance that screams performance. The rear end continues the story with slim LED tail lamps stretching across the width, a signature AMG diffuser, and active aerodynamic elements that ensure maximum downforce when it's needed most. It is a car that looks fast even when parked. Inside, the AMG GT XX Concept takes luxury and sportiness to a new level. The cabin has been crafted with fine leathers, sustainable materials, and high-tech displays. The driver cockpit features a fully digital instrument cluster, augmented reality heads-up display, and a massive central infotainment screen that responds instantly to touch and voice commands. The seats are sculpted for performance driving, yet remain wrapped in comfort that only a Mercedes can deliver. AMG has also incorporated futuristic ambient lighting, blending technology and emotion to create a true sense of occasion when you step inside. Performance is where this car truly shines. Underneath its striking design, the AMG GT XX Concept is powered by a cutting-edge all-electric drivetrain. Mercedes has not revealed every final specification, but reports and industry insights suggest multiple electric motors delivering well over 1,000 horsepower combined. This immense output allows the concept to potentially sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, placing it firmly in the hypercar territory. The torque delivery, thanks to electric motors, is instant and seamless, offering breathtaking acceleration without the delay of traditional combustion engines. Equipped with advanced torque vectoring and an intelligent all-wheel drive system, the car distributes power precisely to each wheel, ensuring maximum grip, stability, and agility even in extreme conditions. Battery technology is another highlight of this concept. Mercedes-AMG is leveraging next-generation high-density battery packs with 800-volt electrical architecture. This not only ensures long-range driving but also ultra-fast charging capabilities. In practical terms, this means you can top up a significant amount of range in just minutes, making the car suitable not only for track days but also for long-distance grand touring. AMG engineers are also working on active cooling systems to maintain battery performance even under intense driving, which further proves this car is designed for both speed and endurance. The AMG GT XX Concept is also about innovation in driving experience. Mercedes is introducing an advanced artificial intelligence system that adapts to the driver's habits. From adjusting throttle sensitivity to suspension damping, the car learns and enhances performance according to how it is driven. Coupled with multiple driving modes, from comfort to track, the GT XX is versatile enough to serve as a daily luxury cruiser or a pure performance machine on demand. Active aerodynamics, adaptive suspension, and regenerative braking systems ensure the car is not only fast but also efficient and safe. One of the most unique aspects of the AMG GT XX Concept is how it blends AMG's motorsport DNA with sustainability. While it is an all-electric performance car, Mercedes emphasizes that it has not lost the soul of AMG. The sound experience is a good example. Instead of a roaring V8, the car uses an advanced acoustic system that generates a futuristic performance sound, tuned to react with throttle inputs. This ensures that driving the GT XX feels as emotional and exhilarating as driving any traditional AMG. What makes this concept stand out even further is its positioning as a halo car for AMG's electrified future. It is not just about creating another electric vehicle, but about redefining what high-performance luxury means in a zero-emission world. The AMG GT XX Concept points towards a future lineup where electric cars will not compromise on excitement, design, or driving pleasure. In fact, it shows they can enhance it in new ways. For enthusiasts, it's a reassurance that the performance spirit of AMG will thrive in the electric age. Of course, being a concept, many of the details we see today may evolve before reaching production. But as a showcase, it already highlights Mercedes-AMG's ambitions. The striking design, immense power, cutting-edge technology, and focus on sustainability make this one of the most exciting concept cars unveiled in recent years. Whether it becomes a production reality in its current form or influences future AMG models, the GTXX sets a bold standard. In summary, the Mercedes-AMG GT XX Concept is more than just a car. It is a statement, a vision, and a promise of what the future of performance luxury vehicles will look like. It blends breathtaking design with state-of-the-art electric performance, advanced driver assistance, intelligent systems, and unmatched luxury. For fans of AMG and lovers of innovation, this concept represents the perfect fusion of heritage and future. If this is the direction Mercedes is heading, the future of driving is looking incredibly exciting. Do you want me to also create timestamps plus CO package title, description, hashtags, keywords for this script, like I did for your Celestiq and G63 videos?